Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are interested in speaker design and improving sound quality, subscribe and join us. Today, we are going to design a horn speaker. So, if you would like to learn it, watch this video till the end. Maybe you ask, what was the very first horn made? In the ancient world, people made it with a piece of animal bodies. They used it to send an alarm to the inhabitant, which means the enemy has entered. The war starts. You have definitely seen the horns on the classic cars.
For Christ's sake, move out of the way, let's go!
And a saxophone player in the new age. One thinks horns amplify the sound based on the said story. Yes and no. The horn indeed concentrates the sound in a particular direction, and there is no amplifying in terms of electronics. The concentrated sound causes an amplification in a certain direction and a reduction in another. For most horns, the greatest reduction is experimentally at 90 degrees, and the greatest amplification is at 0 degrees. We should know the horns don't effectively eliminate the sound at the backside of the speaker, or after 90 degrees. If you want to know why backside elimination is important, watch this video. We need to know all types of horns have some similar specifications. 1. Flaring rate. Imagine a cone that has a throat and a mouth. Its circumference between the throat and the mouth becomes bigger and bigger along its body. This is the flaring rate that is defined by a numeric value named flaring factor, and it will be different for each horn. 2. Radiation impedance. This curve shows the frequency at which the horn starts working. This is the horn cutoff frequency. This curve indeed illustrates the horn frequency response, and it should be flat to have a qualified horn. In summary, the radiation impedance must be an extended flat response with negligible fluctuations. Extended means that the horn can pass a higher range of sound, and less fluctuation means a higher quality of the sound it plays. As you can see, radiation impedance contains two curves named resistance and reactance. We should know resistance is a sign of activity, and it is the active area of the horn here. So focus more on resistance. Stay tuned for more exciting content in the next video.